Hey guys, I'm still here in Stockholm, Sweden, and we are just 1 week away from something amazing. Prime Day, July 15 to 16, an entire 2-day period of what Amazon would call epic deals. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for Prime Day? The world has gone absolutely crazy. Every year, Amazon hosts a period of time where you can go online to Amazon as a Prime member only and you can get special discounts. And these discounts pop up like every 5 minutes constantly. People sit there at their computer and they're just popping up as they're taking advantage of this. 2-for-1 baby diapers, 45% discounts on electronic items, special deals for toys, gardening tools, home and kitchen. It is a deal finder's heaven. And the e-commerce giant Amazon themselves says they're offering more than 1 million of these across the board in 18 countries. This includes the launch of exclusive products and even celebrity collaborations like merchandise from Nickelodeon's JoJo Siwa and a Schwinn electric bike for Prime members only. But it is not just an Amazon thing anymore. According to more than one survey, on Prime Day, almost 75% of online shoppers look beyond Amazon to find other deals. For example, in 2015, when Amazon launched their first Prime Day, there were only 7 other online retailers offering deals at the same time. Today, in 2019, there will be more than 250 retailers offering special deals. Now, this is not just a sales strategy, it is all-out war. Enter the e-commerce giants, Walmart, eBay, and Target. If you want to look at the heavyweight champions when it comes to the world of e-commerce, these 3 companies, along with Amazon, are taking it all out. Oh, but it's just smart business, implies TechCrunch. No, it is so much more than that. TechCrunch implies that it's simply business strategy, but they failed to mention the all-out war tactics that these other e-commerce giants are using to discredit Amazon. And the subtle nature of their attacks makes it even more powerful. Walmart, for example, is offering 4 days of deals, which is twice as many as what Amazon offers. eBay announced 3 weeks of July deals, and on July 15, they're including a crash sale. Oh wait, didn't Amazon's site crash last year on Prime Day? Target is launching Target Deal Days, go figure, which just so happens to be the same dates as Amazon's Prime Day. And they're emphasizing, by the way guys, you don't need to be a member. I wonder what platform would require that. Oh, and you don't have to wait for your products to be shipped to your location. I wonder what platform would require that. Now, who do you think fears this the most? What do corporations do when they're afraid of something like, let's say Black Friday begins to fade? Do they compete against it? No. They freaking create their own Black Friday. Guys, I don't think Amazon's just looking for another day to do deals like a lot of people are saying. They are freaking creating a new Black Friday. Instead of trying to compete against the Friday following Thanksgiving, why not carve out our own? And wait a minute, why not do it just a few months before people start buying stuff for school? Oh, wait a minute, back to school moms, back to school dad's day. They're going in, they're buying all this stuff for their kids, they're getting prepared. It is a smart move, you guys, and there's more to it than just, we get sales slump in summer, we do. Why not take advantage of that? And if you're a third-party seller, you're kind of forced to be part of this. Come on, guys. If everyone else is doing it and you don't, what do you think is going to happen to your sales? So you got to do those lightning deals. You have to do those discounts. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly 3 things you can do. Actually, let's do 4 things you can do right now to get ready for this day so you can be part of Amazon's Orange Friday. Number 1, run aggressive PPC ads. I would suggest you take all your ad campaigns and raise them from 10 to 25% higher. Number 2, make sure you know the best featured photos for converting. So if you haven't split test yet, you need to do it right now. Guys, you have just over a week to make this happen. Do it now, find out, use PPC to find out which ones are converting the best. Number 3, you're gonna run a discount. Just go up to the little discount bar at the top of your Seller Central, the advertising, go down and create a deal. Do a 2-for-1 deal, do a 50% discount, do a 25% discount. Use knowledge that you have from your customers in the past on how to get them to notice yours now. And number 4, you need to be on your Seller Central the entire day, or days this time, of Black Friday. You need to be watching what your competition is doing and adjusting accordingly. Those are my 4 tips. I got one more thing for you. You might be thinking that Walmart, eBay, Target, they're just going up equal against Amazon like boxing gloves in a ring. No, no, no. Amazon produced the fight. They put on the show. They have the staging ground and they're featuring it, and they are the star. They are running this thing. And until we figure out a faster, better way to do this, stay nimble, stay quick, and get ready for the world's new Orange Friday. That's my 10 cents.